The last type of fault is called a strike-slip fault, and this is found at transform plate boundaries like the San Andreas Fault with shearing stress. And so if I take my two blocks like that, and if my right hand goes up and my left hand goes down, you get strike slip, and where that crack is, that's where earthquakes happen.